So this post that I saw on internet claiming that there was a portrait that was paid over $1 million for just a simple portrait.
Heiress has sold for $236 million at Sotheby's in New York. It is now the most expensive modern artwork ever auctioned.
And the painters out there, they are earning a lot of money from such simple portraits, simple paintings. They are getting a lot of money. So I wanted to know how are the guys managing it in the developing countries, to be specific, in Zimbabwe, Harare. So I'm going to Heathcliff. There's a young man that I have talked to before previously, who is also doing his paint job. So I'm going to Heathcliff. I want you guys to understand how the benefits of doing painting, how does it pay, the rewards of painting, the paint jobs, especially in a developing country. So here I make sure that you guys, you are well informed in every decision that you make. Maybe you are a passionate painter, this is an opportunity for you. Please stay logged. Or you are trying to invest in portraits or in paintings, please don't go anywhere. I'll be visiting a lot of painters as they will be giving us an insight or an overview of the do's and don'ts of that industry, the painting industry. So stay tuned. Hi guys, we are now in Heathcliff, as I have promised that we are going to meet one of the finest painter in Zimbabwe, Harare Heathcliff. So I'm here with him. I want him to introduce himself.
Okay, my name is Blessing Chikanyanga. I'm a visual artist. I'm a painter. I paint on canvases and on murals. I live in Bare. That's where I stay. That's where I'm currently residing in. If there's anything else, but yeah.
Okay, so most of my viewers want to understand how much are you making from art monthly?
That's a tricky question, and to answer your question, I would like to say sometimes you don't have to. If you try to mix art with money, the results are like two different ways. To those who want to pursue in an art career and think that it's a place that which gives them more money as they wish it would, if you have that mind, I would say you are lying to yourself, because it's not an annually based thing that you can get money every day or every month or so. But I would say I am enjoying myself. I enjoy myself. It's something that I love, something that I would do without even asking myself, am I tired or not? Or maybe being forced by someone. I'm not being forced to do this. I just do this because I'm doing it. It's under passion. Making money is another thing. I wouldn't lie to you. You might create a beautiful art and no one might buy it. Or maybe bad art and then you have a lot of customers. So I wouldn't talk about money really to my side of work.
Okay, so we want to understand the journey so far. How did you start art and how has been the journey? How has it been treating you?
Okay, to know that I liked to draw, I was still in primary, to be honest. I used to draw whether my teacher is teaching. I used just to draw. I was a fail at school. I couldn't read. I didn't do much, but drawing was my stuff. So I pursued other careers other than art, like nurse aiding and mechanics and so. But for now, I am, let's say 2019. That's when I became serious. Like I wanted to pursue my dream to be an artist, full-time artist. So that's when I started, and from there to now, I wouldn't say there's anything bad. I'm okay, and I'm learning new things. Art gives you a platform where you learn new things. So I'm learning, and I wish to ask more questions and learn more new things each and every day. Yeah.
Okay, so what have been the challenges so far when it comes to your visual arts totally?
Okay, to my side, the challenges that I have is it's not something that I wouldn't work on, but most of my artists they face challenges that comes of materials, even the space that they use. Maybe they want to do like a big project, but they are limited by the space that they have. So to me, most challenges, my biggest challenge is space and now space and material, like I've said.
Okay, so where do you really get your motivation when it comes to your art?
Okay, firstly, I'm a human being. I'm a natural thing. So my first motivation comes from nature, not to define that birds, flowers, they are just nature, every part of it. And then colors that I see every day, naturally, nature. And then people, talking to people, reading, and then playing games also, even having sex.
That's a big one. Okay, so for someone who is watching, who is passionate about art, what would be the message of advice you could?
Keep moving forward. Don't get tired. Art is hard, and I wouldn't want to lie. Art is very hard, so I would just say, if you are pursuing this dream, make sure you just do art every day. No matter you go to work, when you come home, find a little thing that you do. Just do it. Keep moving forward. Don't go back. Yeah.
Okay, I know on my viewers there might be someone who might want to help you. What really do you think you might need support with your work?
I would like to have more exposure. If possible, I would get I would get like more exposure, more people liking my work, more people getting to view my stuff, my stuff. So the biggest thing I would really love is exposure. So yeah.
Okay, well, so we have seen the artwork that you are doing right now. Can you tell us the story behind?
So far, the story behind this artwork is no story at all. Well, I'm just having fun. It's like this is my first big wall that I've done alone. So I'm trying to just pitch in what I can, trying to see what I can do on a bigger space than a canvas I'm used to paint every day. So the story behind this is none at all. There's no story.
Okay, thank you very much for your time. Hope your business will grow, your hustle will grow, and keep on pushing. So don't forget to pray each and every time. Okay, thank you. Okay, Mkoma, can you introduce yourself, Makorenyu, Kwamnokara, and the likes?
Yeah, my name is Elfas Mnats, aged 25, lives in Heathcliff, near to Dust Market. Dremuno Udari, specialist in fine art, doing paintings on canvases, portraits using my pencils, pastel and charcoal pencils. Okay. Even my murals I can do.
Okay. Yeah. So, what really motivated you to use art?
Yeah, there was no reason behind this because it started when I was young. When I was starting my education, when I was primary, but I was just doing it for fun. After that, I realized I can make money with it. So this is how I do it. I did it just practicing and ndakakura ndichingo practice ndichitongokurawo muart sacho. Yeah.
Okay, all right, okay. So what really motivates you to keep on doing art, especially in the economy like Zimbabwe? How are you managing?
Yeah, in India, I think it does even different lives of people. When you are so successful, so sometimes you know go terera no ndo dzaumwe vanhu vekuti vanenge vari successful through nezvavanoita asi sometimes ndozosangana futi nemamwe maartist kutoti ndotozongona other artists accessing paatra avo saka ndozvo zvakandimotivata. Sometimes zvavanenge vachitoita zvacho tiri magrupu emawhatsapp ekuti anenge achitiratidza zvinoitwa nomumwe nomumwe saka zvinobva zvakuita kuti uve motivated kubva.
Okay. So there is someone out there arida kutanga kuita zveart. What do you tell him matambudziko amuri kusangana nawo as maartist kuti apindewo achiziva handizivi kuti ngatitsanangurikwa?
Yeah, vakaita seva one the difficulty nati yandinonzwisisa kuzoita passion ati wakura. The first difficulty kuti unoda kutanga kuzvitanga wakura. Ndakaona sekuti zvimwe zvacho zvinoda kuti unyatsozvitanga when you are young. Two, zvinhu zveati zvinoshandiswa paati in Zimbabwe zviri difficult to find. Kana usina mumwe maartist aunoziva haukwanisi kuwana zvinhu zvokushandisa paati because hameno ukatopinda mutauro zvotonetsa kuwana, then zviri too expensive. 3, muzimbabwe macho zvishoma futi saka izvo zvacho zviri zvinotinetsa. 2, kuzonyanya kuva nemalinks kuzosangana nevanhu appreciate art zvokudaro. Yes, vanhu vanoappreciate art but iwo nepatience dzaunenge uchiita paart rako kuti ungozori mhanyisa just for few money ka hazvinyatsobuda. Saka ndimwe nyaya futi yekutoti unenge wagarira kana chinhu chako madhays akati asi unotozoona kuti mumwe munhu anogona uchida nemari kana shoma shoma. It's another difficulty futi. Yeah.
So how are you making money through art? Ndo pamwe pakatikoshera ipapo kuti mari muri kuiwana sei?
Yeah, according to that question ndangoti inini takatarisa kuti mueconomic vanenge muchigara sometimes unenge uchitoona kuti sometimes I am stranded handina chekubata. Sometimes unogona kumbotrya kuti uita maportraits kwandichiita ndokondipa pashomawo kwete kuti tetatongosangana pakati nemunhu anenge achida art rangu kwete kuti kwai anenge ari kutobhadhara the expected price chaiyo. Ndinoda kuti chetangowiriranawo sokuti munhu ari kuda ndikudawo mari iye ari kudawo art piece saka tozongosanganawo pakati ndi zveapo neapo noti kuti kwai zviri kutonyanya kubetsera.
Alright, okay. So imimi, where do you see yourself nenye ati pamakore anoti? What are your goals and aspirations?
Zviri zvemakore anotevera like sedream yangu semunhu wokuti ane kafaith iwo I'm feeling being successful. Ndinoda kuti trust in God kuti ndinozobatsirika handingazopiwo that talent just for nothing kungogara nacho chingoita just for nothing but as a dream yangu yandikutozama kuti ndipushewo ndine faith yekuti ndingazobatsirika mumakore anoteverawo.
Yeah. So what is your word of advice for youth aroda kuti anga kupinda art right now?
Kumuyouth aroda kutanga kupinda muart kana azvipira anofanira kutozvipira because ndambotaura pamusoro peage kuti chinhu choaffect but ukasangana negood teacher anogona kukupusha kuti uve a better person in art handiti. Saka kana wave a better person in art inda patience kunyanya because one uchada kuti unyatso kuva nestandard unyatsogadzira kuti ngori artistic. So 2 wachigadzira inini chimwe chinhu chandoizivira inongounza ka-entertainment hauzovi too stressful. 3 nyaya dzemaprizes it needs patience, much patient kwete zvekudaro kwete zvishoma asi patience dziedze kutodaro ndosonhu zvandonyanya kutongoadvisa munhu wese zvanguwo kuti anenge aine dream yeart.
I thank you very much for this time.
Then I'm gracious. Sabamba, director of my visual arts.
Makatanga sei
Wow.
What the journey started?
The journeys are different though, but still. Isusu takazosangana nedu kuchikoro, but tanga tabva edu kudhara kuchikoro zvakasiyana siyana tichingoitawo art. Ini kwandotobva kumba kwedu, like my brothers and my elders vanotoitawo paintings, vanotoitawo art. Saka that's where I got my motivation from. And then ichizosanganawo nemumwe wangu taakuchikoro cheart. From there, tapanapa.
So what is the business art here? I mean, I say, how is it? Martins, but
Taking art as a business, my dear.
It's not a business as such. Because art just kuti chinogona kukufadza nekukupa mari. Yeah, just nokupa mari every day. Chinhu chekutoto maybe chakangoda kufanana nehobby chekuti unokwanisa ngoita, but sometimes tinozongounzawo ma-results wocheka at its own course, but yeah, hatinyanyoda kutedza mari stereke when it comes to art.
So message yangado kufananise kunakutanga kuita kata nakuenda kuchikoro ichi
unadaenda kuchikoro kana tadatanga art. Nini advice andogona kumupaka ndeyekuti kana wakashinga izipindako mugame macho, because game iri haridi munhu asina kusimba hana, rinogona kukudisappointa unexpected kana rinogona kutokufadza zvausingatombofaka wakafungidzira futi. Saka zvese both ways zvinongoda kungoshinga. Saka kune munhu ari kutangawo project ema-arts kana watopinda mugame macho shinga and then usadzokera kumashure. That's all. Just stay motivated. Yeah.
Because if you're not motivated, you can't be pushed.
And you can't be pushed, you can't produce anything. Saka yeah, this was actually yeah, it's not like kuti atirarame. It's not like kuti atirarame. It's not orarama. Nayo art yo. But the thing is kuti atisichinje kuti tinotoisa expectation kwachiri kuti hanzi chichachinja upenyu hwedu, nekutoti isusu kwache zvedu hatisati tatombochinja upenyu hwedu. Tikutongoitawo art. Yeah, tikutombodiscover new things, tikutombodzidza. Yeah, tongoti palane ratiri kudzidza nekuexecute zvatinge tambodzidzawo so far. Saka ndo life yedu.
Okay, thank you very much.
I think that's all for the day.
Thank you very much for the time, Yamandu Power.
Yeah, thank you so much for the time.
But words of encouragement for the mother.
Yeah.
Words of encouragement. Stay motivated. Keep inspired. Stay positive. And say no to drugs.
Yeah, I'm Pichar. I say no to drugs.